Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Unlock the potential of large-scale 3D printing without breaking the bank with the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. This open-frame 3D printer brings professional-style printing capabilities to beginners and hobbyists alike, offering a generous build volume of 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 inches, a rare feature for sub-$500 printers. Whether you're crafting prototypes, custom models, or fun DIY projects, the Neptune 4 Plus delivers high-quality results consistently, with test prints showing impressive detail and precision at 100-micron resolution. Designed for newcomers to 3D printing, the Neptune 4 Plus requires some basic assembly, allowing users to familiarize themselves with motors, belts, cables, the print bed, extruder, and filament feed. This hands-on setup experience provides valuable insight into the mechanics of 3D printing while keeping operation straightforward and user-friendly. The printer supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, nylon, PTG, ASA, and TPU, giving creators flexibility for any project. Budget-conscious hobbyists will appreciate the printer's versatility and affordability. With multiple connectivity options via USB thumb drive or Wi-Fi, you can manage and monitor prints easily. The open-frame design not only makes it easier to spot issues mid-print but also encourages learning through observation. At 32 pounds and with a footprint of 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 inches, it fits comfortably on most tables or workbenches. Add a filament spool or select a bundle that includes one to start printing immediately. Backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus offers large-scale printing, excellent quality, and budget-friendly value for anyone eager to explore the world of 3D printing. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Experience high-quality 3D printing in a compact and budget-friendly package with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike, this printer delivers precise prints at a relatively high speed, making it ideal for everyday creative projects. The A1 Mini stands out with its optional add-on module, enabling seamless printing with up to 4 different colored filaments, so you can bring multi-color designs to life without complicated setups or multiple printers. Designed for ease of use, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini arrives nearly fully assembled, allowing you to start printing almost immediately. Its closed-frame design keeps prints stable and protects them from environmental factors, while the intuitive interface supports Wi-Fi and microSD card connectivity, making file transfer and print management effortless. With a maximum build volume of 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm, this small powerhouse produces detailed creations with a 100-micron resolution, delivering professional-looking results every time. The A1 Mini supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA, giving you flexibility for both functional and decorative prints. At just 12.12 pounds and with a footprint of 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 inches, it fits easily on most desks, workbenches, or creative stations. For those looking for an affordable multicolor FDM printer, the A1 Mini is an exceptional choice. With a price under $400, it offers a premium out-of-the-box experience, smooth operation, and consistent print quality, all backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Unlock your creativity with the Bambu Lab A1 Mini and enjoy easy, colorful, and reliable 3D printing without stretching your budget. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Unlock professional-grade resin 3D printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, a fast, precise, and reliable SLA printer designed for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike. With a generous build area of 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 inches and a top resolution of 10 microns, the M7 Max can produce everything from intricate miniatures to large-scale models with exceptional detail and clarity. Its advanced light source system ensures precise curing for even the most demanding prints, making it ideal for prototypes, collectibles, or functional resin parts. One of the standout features of the M7 Max is its automatic resin management system, which streamlines the printing process by handling resin loading and maintenance behind the scenes. Users can focus on designing and printing, rather than messy setup or cleanup. The printer also offers remote monitoring via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB, allowing you to check print progress from anywhere and manage jobs efficiently. Built with a closed frame design, the Photon Mono M7 Max provides stable printing conditions and protects both your prints and workspace. Its intuitive interface ensures a smooth transition from unboxing to high-quality prints with minimal learning curve. At 52.91 pounds and dimensions of 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 inches, it fits comfortably on most workbenches while delivering industrial quality output at a sub-$1000 price point. Whether for rapid prototyping, short-run manufacturing, or hobbyist projects, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max combines professional precision, effortless resin handling, and excellent value, all backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Experience clean, fast, and reliable SLA printing like never before. Number 4. Entina Tina2. Step into the world of 3D printing with the Entina Tina2, a compact and beginner-friendly printer designed to make STEM exploration fun and accessible. Perfect for kids, students, and budget-conscious hobbyists, the Tina2 offers a hands-on introduction to 3D printing without the steep costs typically associated with this hobby. Its transparent, open-frame design allows users to see every step of the printing process, turning setup and operation into a valuable learning experience. With a build volume of 120 by 100 by 100 mm, the Tina2 is ideal for printing small toys, figurines, and creative projects. While its maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius is lower than many standard printers, this aligns perfectly with its target audience and ensures safe, manageable printing for beginners. Typical prints, like a benchy, can be completed in approximately 91 minutes, giving quick results without long waits. The Tina2 emphasizes simplicity over unnecessary features, offering a streamlined experience similar to other compact printers like the Anycubic M5C. While it won't deliver industrial-grade precision, the printer produces functional and fun models with decent detail, perfect for children, students, or hobbyists just getting started. Ease of use, solid support resources, and affordability make the Entina Tina2 a fantastic entry-level printer. Whether you're introducing a young learner to STEM, experimenting with 3D printing for the first time, or simply need a budget-friendly desktop printer, the Tina2 provides a creative outlet and reliable performance in a compact, user-friendly package. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Step into 3D printing with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a fully enclosed, user-friendly printer designed for beginners and hobbyists who want a hassle-free, plug-and-play experience. With a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 mm, this compact printer gives you the freedom to create functional parts, prototypes, and fun projects right from your home, classroom, or office. Its fully enclosed design not only protects prints from drafts and temperature fluctuations but also enhances safety, making it ideal for families and learning environments. The Adventurer 5M features a PEI build plate for excellent adhesion and easy print removal, ensuring your creations come off cleanly without warping. Its quick-release nozzle makes maintenance and filament changes simple, while auto-leveling removes the guesswork from setup, giving you consistently reliable results. Even those new to 3D printing can start producing high-quality models with minimal effort. With cloud control functionality, you can manage and monitor your prints remotely from anywhere, adding convenience and flexibility to your workflow. The printer supports a wide range of filaments, making it versatile for creative and functional applications. Whether you're exploring 3D printing for the first time, introducing students to STEM, or looking for a reliable home printer, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M delivers ease of use, impressive print quality, and innovative features at an accessible price. Its combination of beginner-friendly design, safety features, and cloud-based control makes 3D printing enjoyable, efficient, and fun for all skill levels.